So if I was a bird, I'd be scared of this. It's pretty intimidating, don't you think? Alright, so that was a bit of a worry. I stopped, but the drone kept flying over the top and it almost hit me in the head, I reckon. I couldn't tell, but it went pretty close and then it just kept going that way. So yeah, don't know what happened there. It wouldn't stop until I told it to stop. It was focusing on something else, so that's not good. So basically I'm going to put myself above that fence line and I'm just going to go sideways all the way along. Well, this is a good test. Can they see the reed? They're not going near it, so must be working.